Let's look at the question, what is 3D printing? Let's start with the boring version. 3D printing is when you make actual objects you can hold, and that's actually not boring at all. That's pretty mind-blowing. The technical term for 3D printing is additive manufacturing. Most common type is typically fused deposition modeling, but we'll talk about those some other time. Really what I want to get to for 3D printing is, in a nutshell, 3D printing allows you to create. It is the ultimate tool for design. Really, what you're able to do with 3D printing is you're able to take something from your brain and bring it to the real world. There has never been a way to create this awesomely. Think about it. Just 30 years ago, 40 years ago, going back 2,000 years ago, if a child wanted to make an owl, you would need to get a block of wood and a sharp knife and hope that you didn't actually damage yourself as you were whittling it and carving it. Maybe you'd get a big hunk of granite and you chisel and coming through, and boy, I don't know what that would end up looking like. You could maybe use paper mache and make a big old mess, but I think at the end, what you would have wouldn't really look like what was in your brain. And that's where 3D printing is different, because it allows you to design and you go until you get it to match what is up there. Another way to think about it is, has a toy factory ever called you on the phone and asked you exactly what kind of toy you would want them to make? It probably actually hasn't happened. Toy factories do a great job of trying to guess what you would like, but they're not inside of your brain. They're not inside of your mind. The only person who really knows what you like and what you want is you. To wrap all this up, I want to look at the name to give us a better understanding. 3D printing. Let's focus on that letter D. Now, the letter D stands for dimensional. 3-dimensional printing. That is printing in 3 dimensions. When something is in 3 dimensions, that means it has up and down, side to side, and front to back. That gives us the ability to see all around it. And that's what makes 3D printing special. You can call 3D printing additive manufacturing. You can call it fused deposition modeling, or you can just call it awesome. I want you to know and understand that it is a tool. It is something that works for you. As long as you know how to work it, you're going to take something from your own imagination and share it with the world. And that is awesome.